Welcome everyone. Bulgarian house for sale, 12.5 thousand euros in village Ostritsa with nice view. Today, we are changing things up and starting our tour from the inside. Why? Because we noticed most viewers skip after the external walk around, missing the heart of the property. Our aim is to show you every detail, good, bad, and yes, even the very bad. This Bulgarian forgotten house is located in the beautiful village of Ostritsa. Ostritsa is well known as a select and desirable location, not your average village known for cheap houses. We've been lucky enough to discover some hidden gems here, properties forgotten and ripe for renovation. Heading upstairs to the second floor, another corridor opens up to 3 additional rooms and a storage area. Yes, it needs work, but the potential here is incredible. Imagine spacious bedrooms with wonderful views, a master suite, or a relaxing reading nook. The storage room could easily become an additional bathroom, adding comfort and convenience to your new home. Let's step inside this charming house. On the first floor, you'll find a spacious corridor leading into 3 rooms and an old bathroom that definitely needs some love. Imagine transforming this space into your cozy Bulgarian retreat. With thoughtful renovations, these rooms could become a comfortable living area, a modern kitchen, and a welcoming dining room or a functional home office. Outside, the house sits on a quiet little road, offering peaceful living. The property includes about 50 square meters of barns, perfect for additional storage or even turning into workshops or guest accommodations. There's also ample space to park your car, ensuring you have everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle. The garden spans approximately 700 square meters, easy to maintain yet big enough for gardening enthusiasts. Picture yourself enjoying the lovely views, surrounded by lush hills that make Ostritsa such a special place. The garden can easily be transformed into a beautiful outdoor area for barbecues, relaxing afternoons, or even a productive vegetable garden. And speaking of location, this village has everything for your day-to-day needs. Shops, a cozy little bar, a post office, a library, and even a convenient bus stop. Ostritsa provides a balanced village lifestyle with the comfort of modern conveniences. The local community is welcoming, perfect for anyone seeking a tranquil yet connected life in Bulgaria. Just 15 minutes away is the town of Dve Mogali. 35 kilometers will take you to the bustling city of Ruse, and only an hour's drive gets you to the historic beauty of Veliko Tarnovo. Truly, Ostritsa is ideally situated. You'll have easy access to city amenities, entertainment, shopping, healthcare, and historic sites. Everything is within a comfortable driving distance. We always prioritize safety, so please note that water and electricity at this property have been disconnected. It's ready and safe for immediate renovations. This ensures that your renovation process will be safe and worry-free from the very beginning. This forgotten Bulgarian house can easily become your dream home with some care and attention. If you're looking for a property with huge potential in a lovely village, this one might just be perfect for you. With the right renovations, you can enjoy both the charm of traditional Bulgarian architecture and the convenience of modern amenities. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Sometimes we offer flexible payment plans even on this one, making it even easier for you to own your piece of Bulgarian tranquility. Whether you're planning a permanent move, a holiday home, or an investment property, this forgotten house in Ostritsa is worth considering. Book a viewing with Nyama Problemi Ltd today. We are a fully licensed building company specializing in property maintenance and management. Whether you're European or non-European, we can guide you through every step of owning and renovating a home in Bulgaria. Our extensive experience ensures a seamless and satisfying experience for all our clients, regardless of their country of origin. Visit us at www.bg.house for more information. Nyama Problemi Ltd ensures you a pleasant experience, long-term support, and comprehensive property management. Make your Bulgarian dream home a reality. Our services include everything from initial viewing, handling legal documents, renovation advice, and full project management. We even help with ongoing maintenance after you've settled into your new home. Living in Bulgaria offers a fantastic lifestyle. It is known for its affordability, beautiful landscapes, rich cultural history, and welcoming locals. Ostritsa especially stands out for its select reputation, offering exclusivity and a premium feel compared to other rural locations. The village atmosphere is peaceful, safe, and perfect for families, retirees, or digital nomads looking for a quieter pace of life. Owning property in Ostritsa means enjoying picturesque views every day. You can look forward to breathtaking sunrises and tranquil evenings right from your own garden or balcony. The area is perfect for nature walks, cycling, and other outdoor activities, making it ideal for anyone who loves being close to nature. If you're ready to embark on your property journey in Bulgaria, contact us at Nyama Problemi Ltd. Your dream home in Ostritsa awaits your personal touch. Let's make it happen together.